I am so happy to be back. I hope you all had an amazing holiday season with lots of exciting things to do and had a well deserved rest. And we are back to baking. So, today I want to share with you this gluten free cinnamon bread that I had made over the holidays, and you just have to try it. It is so delicious, so yummy, much easier to make than cinnamon rolls, and you are going to love it.
Jumping right in, here's what you'll need for your brioche dough: arrowroot or tapioca flour, sorghum and millet flours, psyllium husk powder, yeast, baking powder, butter, salt, a bit of xanthan gum, sugar, milk, and water. My inspiration for this recipe came from the loopy whisk. Make sure to check out the exact proportions in the description below. Once your dough is mixed, roll it out into 12-inch square, then cut it into 16 pieces. Line a 9 by 5 loaf pan with parchment paper. And here's where the fun part starts. Dip each piece into melted butter, then into cinnamon sugar mixture. If you love cinnamon like I do, this part smells absolutely incredible. Keep going until all the pieces are coated, and if you run out of butter like I did, just grab another piece and let it soak up what's left from the others. Once that's done, we are ready to let this delicious bread proof.
Here's a quick tip for you. If you have one of those newer stoves, make sure you check if you have a bread proving setting. Now, if you do, please use it. It works incredibly well, especially during those dry, less humid winter months. So make sure to check that out and use it.
After about 1 hour and 15 minutes of proofing, the dough will double in size and we are ready to bake. My absolute favorite part is whenever I bake something with cinnamon, it fills the kitchen with the coziest, homey, just can't wait to eat smell. And after about 46 minutes, we've got ourselves some gluten-free cinnamon bread. All that's left to do is enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I truly appreciate it so much.
Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you end up making this and how it turned out. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next one. Bye.